Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and in this video, I want to tell you about how you can remove background of an image easily with Remove.bg. In this tutorial, we'll show you step by step how to upload a photo, remove the background, and download the final image. So, let's get started. Remove.bg is an easy-to-use website that allows you to remove the background from any photo. It's perfect for graphic designers, photographers, and anyone who needs to create content quickly and efficiently. You can remove background of any image with just a couple of clicks, so that it can help you save time and boost your productivity. To get started, head over to the website Remove.bg and click the Upload Image button. Choose the photo you want to work with and it will automatically remove the background of the photo using AI, leaving you with a transparent image that you can use however you like. Once Remove.bg has finished processing your image, you'll see the final result on your screen. This is the original photo and this is the one with the background removed. Another way to upload your image is to head over to the site of the image. Here I am using a photo from Google, and once you get there, right-click on the image and click Copy Image Address, then go back to Remove.bg website, and then paste your image by typing Ctrl+V. And there you have it. You can also drag and drop your photo from your device to the website and you will still get your image's background removed. If you're happy with the result, you can download the transparent image by clicking the Download button. Then the PNG file image will be downloaded to your device. But if you want to download it with the original image size, you have to buy credits. But if you sign up your account for the first time, you will get 1 credit, and then you can download your large quality image for 1 time. You can not only use Remove.bg to remove background of a person, you can also remove background of an animal, an object, or even a logo or a text. Now, let's talk about some of the benefits of using Remove.bg. First of all, it's incredibly easy to use. You don't need any special software or technical skills to get started. And because it's an online tool, you can use it from anywhere, anytime. Secondly, Remove.bg can save you a ton of time. Instead of spending hours manually removing backgrounds from photos, you can do it in just a few clicks with Remove.bg. This frees up your time to focus on other important tasks. And the best part is, it's completely free to use. And that's it! With Remove.bg, removing backgrounds from photos has never been easier. Whether you're a graphic designer, photographer, or just looking to improve your social media presence, Remove.bg can help you get things done quickly and easily. It's perfect for anyone who needs to create content quickly and efficiently, and it's incredibly easy to use. Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. And if you're interested in similar videos, make sure to check out this video here. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.